I know. You can wave. Kate says, hi, friends. She's so glad you're here.
Good job, Q.
With Kate not having a voice, she's asked that I would be the voice for her, which is going to be fun. Because I can make up whatever I want, because she can only whisper. But, so, we actually have a bet in our house about her voice, when it will come back. We've hit like day 6 now, in the ballpark of 6, that she's lost her voice. We have got 2 of our kids say tomorrow. Another kid says Wednesday. I say next Monday. And Kate says by her 38th birthday. So considering she's turning 35 this year, I think the odds are in her favor that it'll be back before her 38th birthday. But I could be wrong. It could be very quiet in our house for a very long time, which would be very weird. So does anyone else have any bets on when her voice will come back? That'll be the thing. So with Kate not having a voice, she would like all of you to go back and rewatch some of the old videos. We've got a lot of new faces who haven't seen some of the stuff from the very beginning, but we've had a lot of people that have been here from the beginning. And we'd like just to see what piqued your interest, what one made you laugh, which one was like, wow, this was a train wreck, and now look at what's going on.
You can't say that.
Because you knew it was a train, you only saw that it was a train wreck because you see where it's at now.
How about we just say ones I was more awkward in?
Okay, sorry, the one she was more awkward in, not a train wreck. My bad. This is when I ad-lib stuff in here, and I don't listen to what she says.
Poor dear.
So if you could go do that, it'd be great to go back and just rewatch. We're really looking forward to seeing what people comment on and which ones they go back and rewatch again and be like, oh yeah, I remember when this happened. This was fun. We enjoyed this one.
Or even maybe some we could redo.
Or some like, hey, would you redo this one? Because maybe we can do it in a different color, or just
do it better.
Or just do it better. That's probably a big thing right there.
I'm getting comfortable in my weirdness. So
Kate's figuring it out on what her niche is and how to make sure she's herself as she does these videos. Because really what you see, this is like real life. This is my day-to-day. This is my interaction with my wife every single day. And it's a blast. It's so much fun. So I'm glad you guys get to see what I get to see every day. So one of the things Kate's really enjoyed that we did is earlier this year, we did that YouTube live where we sold all the old quilt tops that she had, or projects she hasn't finished yet and she wasn't going to finish. She really enjoyed that interaction that we had with all of you, even though it was just a comment and she would read your comment and then respond to you live. She enjoyed the conversation. It was like you were talking back and forth. So with that, we've decided to offer a sewing class on Zoom where you can see her, she can see you, you can actually talk face to face and hear each other's voices and have full-on conversations with Kate and with the members of the class.
And if you just want to sit quietly and listen to the weirdness, that's okay too.
And if you want to sit and listen and giggle, that is absolutely a-okay too. You don't have to communicate that way. You can sit and back and laugh and have a good time. So with this, Kate's been looking for different options for patterns, and she's found one, and this is simple versions of what it is. So they're just going to be flags. They're going to be in preparation of 4th of July here in the United States. So with the class,
Pause for just a second. Don't move. People outside of the country can make this, but why would they want American flags?
well, they have to make their own anyways.
I know, but this isn't a pattern for everyone else's flag.
I don't know.
No, it just hit me so it is open, like worldwide. But why would anyone want to make an American flag in America?
Beats me.
Okay, so let's just say that classes in general will be open to all. And we can
No idea. So with this class,
Simple version.
I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going.
Whoa!
Shh, you can't say that on there.
Edit it out. It's fine.
I don't have a potty mouth. On video, I don't have a potty mouth.
So this class will have two different options when you sign up for it. One of the options will be a ticket for the class, which will be a Zoom link that you'll get emailed to, and we will send you the pattern, and you can get your own fabric. That version will be $25. Then there will be another version where you get the Zoom link, the pattern, and the fabric to go with it. So the fabric will come pre-cut, and you will get enough for all the red stripes, enough for all the white stripes, and enough for all the blue squares. The white stripes will be in 2.5-inch widths, and you're going to get enough to fill everything that you're going to need for every single one of these. The red will also be in 2.5-inch strips, and you will have enough to fit all 20 of these these blocks you're going to end up making. And then
It's just easier to give the scrappy look if I cut a bunch.
so the reason Kate's going to cut them ahead of time and send them to you that way is she really likes the scrappy quilts. And this allows for you to have that option if you want to make a scrappy quilt. She cuts them, that way you don't get one big giant piece. You can go really scrappy if you really want to. And so you have that ability. Then you will get 6.5-inch squares in different shades of blue to do the block. That's right up here. And to do the star. One thing about this is it's a really simple quilt. So this is a great one to learn on. If you're looking to learn how to sew, this is great. Or if you know someone who's looking to get into sewing, this is a great one to do because it's really simple. That you don't have to go complicated, but you do have the ability to do some more complicated stars like this one to go in to your square up here.
So you only need 20 blue squares, but I'm saying 30.
So in order to do all these squares, to do all of them, there's only going to be 20 blocks. So you only technically need 20, but Kate's going to send you 30. That way you have the option to do stars like this one.
Yeah, they have lots of
Or
variations.
one like this one. There's so many different versions of it. You have the ability to do lots of different ones if you choose to. Because these are straight stitches, it's really easy to learn on. So if you have those that are really wanting to learn, this is a great one to do, and it'd be a fun class to sit in. Okay.
So in the pattern, it says you need a certain amount of fabric.
In the pattern, you need a certain amount of fabric,
But you will
and that certain amount of fabric will be in your bundle that you get.
it'll just be in strips.
It'll just be already pre-cut for you.
Yeah.
That way, when you get ready for class, you're already that one step closer, but you get that scrappy look as well.
And
So
homework would
Kate does have homework.
you would have to cut up the strips, the reds and whites, so that you are ready for the class.
So you just have to cut your strips in order to be ready for the class. So she'll send homework and send an email with all the instructions for the homework in it as time gets closer. So we are looking.
Oh, you'll get red, white, and blue.
You'll get red, white, and blue, and then you'll have a background that will be a light powder blue, and then there'll be a nice big dark blue border to go around the outside of it, and all that fabric will come in. The fabric portion, if that's the one you choose for the class. So the ticket and the pattern will be $25, and then you'll have the ticket, the pattern, and the fabric will be for $100. And you'll have those two options on for the class, and the class will just be the ticket. It will just be a Zoom link that will be emailed to you when we get really close to that day. So we decided that we should do the class June 14th, and maybe the 21st, the next Saturday. It'll depend on if we can get everything done in one day. We probably can, but we're not quite sure if we can or not. So we'd rather plan for 2 days than have one day and need 2 days than to not need it. So we'll plan on 2 days, but we're probably only going to need the one to get all this done. The specific time, we haven't decided on one yet. It'll be depending on where most people live. So we will make that decision as we get a little closer, when we get a little bit of an idea on who's interested and who's registered for the class. So it'll vary a little.
All classes are open to anyone.
All classes are going to be open to everybody. Usually, you know, we can't just send stuff to our viewers that we do have in Germany and the UK and Australia. It's hard to do that, but these classes are great because you can participate, and we will just email you the pattern, and you would be responsible for getting all your fabric. That's the only thing that you would have to deal with.
You can still come and join.
But you can still come and participate and have a great time.
So maybe you won't want American flags, but I would like to continue with classes.
But classes would like, she really did like the YouTube live and would love to do more interactive things. And so if you're not all in for the American flag, which is fine, she is planning on doing Pineberry next after this class is over. With this class being pretty simple, we're really looking forward to learning and working out a few kinks on some things, and then moving on, getting some great feedback from all of you, and going on to something a little different that we can do in a class. Kate really enjoyed the YouTube live. She was riding high all day long after we were done. She was just bouncing off the walls, excited, because she had so much fun, and she's really looking forward to doing one of these again, because it's just, she loves interacting with people and talking to people much more than I do. It's just a fact. She's the social one, and I just stand there like a weirdo.
Well,
and I'm okay with that.
You weirdo.
Sometimes. So, quick recap on what's going on here. Please let us know when you think our voice is going to come back. Were you interested in what everybody else thinks? Please go back and rewatch the videos. There's a great chance that there will not be a video on Thursday because her voice will not be here. So please go back and rewatch the videos. Comment on what ones you've liked, which ones you've watched back again, things you've learned. Any feedback you give us would be fantastic. We really enjoy it. And just let us know what you guys think of it. And then we have the class, June 14th and maybe the 21st. It'll be $25 for a ticket, for the ticket to get in and the pattern. It'll be $100 for the ticket, the pattern, and the fabric, which will come pre-cut with a little bit of homework.
Pre-order is open.
Pre-order is going to be open. So you can go in right now and you can pre-order which one you want. That way we can get all the fabric ordered that we're going to need and here to our home and cut and packaged and shipped to you by June 5th. We realize it takes us about 5 days from our home to ship from our home here in Idaho to some of our farthest places in Georgia and New Hampshire and different places. So that gives us 5 days. So those packets or the bundles will be in your home before the class starts, and you don't have to worry. So if we cut everything off as a ship by day by us by the 5th, then we are good to go. But please go pre-order. That way we know how much we need to order and get here, because it does take us a couple of weeks to get stuff. And that way we can be prepped and get all of our stuff sent out to you so you guys can have this. And hopefully we have just a great class. We're really looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time.
So huge thank you.
So thank you for listening. Thank you for having me as a substitute speaker.
Well, they didn't have a choice.
No, but they stayed and listened to the end. So they did choose to stay and listen to me speak instead of you.
So thank you for your support still.
So thank you for support. We really do appreciate you guys being here and watching and supporting Kate and giving her great encouragement. It's been great to have her go out of her comfort zone a little to do this and to show off some of the talents that she does have. So we are very thankful for what you have, and we will see you guys next time.